Let's create a design for a Valentine's Day themed t-shirt in Studio. There are tons of ready-to-go Valentine's themed assets on Creative Fabrica, such as these PNGs, so let's use one of these as a starting point. To ensure maximum detail, we can use the t-shirt preset in the POD section. Upload your chosen assets from Creative Fabrica to Studio via the Uploads tab. If you're working with many assets, you can select them all and group them together into folders to help keep things organized. Add your chosen graphic to the canvas. Then, let's embellish it with some more art. To keep in line with the bold and simple look of the design, let's add a variety of these flat Cupid illustrations from the Elements panel. Use the color picker to match them to the design. Play around with different orientations, scales, and rotation for a bit of variation. Then let's do the same thing with a few hearts, also from the graphics panel for one more layer of detail. Don't forget to select the flip horizontally and remove background options when sharing your design. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.